Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can make white background in picture using Canva. So let's start the video guys. Okay, so here I'm on my Canva. So there is a two method. Okay, I will show you one by one so you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so first open your Canva home, come to the home, and here go to the upload. You can directly upload your photos here. Okay, you need to just click on that upload button. Now we need to go that upload file, select your picture and just open it. Okay, it will be open. Now you need to click on the use in new design. Okay, sorry, don't use. Okay, click on edit image and now just click create design. Okay, now picture has been open in design. Okay, properly we have so all tools here. Now to make background white, you need to select that image and just click on bg remover. Then it will be removed like this. Okay, now we have that background, white background. Okay, you can also change background from here if you want. Okay, you need to select that image and just take a side like this and just select that background. Here you need to change that color. Okay, you can change color, background color with any color like this. Okay, or you can keep as a white and make, then you need to just select that image and keep at middle. Okay, and now you can simply share, go to the download and download as a png. Okay, you can download it. This is the first method. Second method is you can go to the create and take your canvas size like in photo editor. So you can also take custom size. Okay, okay, I just take presentation size only. Okay, so I will show you how you can resize your canvas also. Okay, so this is my canvas here, and here the canvas size I can change. Okay, but first you need to upload your photos or insert your photos here. So go to the upload and you can upload your photos. Okay, you can upload new photos from here. Go to upload file and upload it. After upload you can see the photos here. Okay, or you can also use any stock photos from Canva. Okay, you need to search here that photos like passport size photo. Okay, so we have some photos here, sample. You can put into the canvas like this. Okay, or you can simply upload from your device. Okay, now just select that photos and just make maximize size like this. Okay, or you can simply first put your photos. So this is our original size of photos. Okay, keep at middle. Okay, now select the photos and go to the positions, and here you can see exact size of your photo, which is width 730 pixel and height 730 pixel. Okay, so you can simply select that canvas, go to the resize and go to the custom size, and here from here you can change that size like 730 with 730 heights pixel. Then just resize this design, it will be resized. Now you can select that photos and just resize by this corner dot. Okay, don't resize from here, just resize from here. Now select the picture and remove it, remove the background. The remove background has been removed. Now you can share it, go to the share, go to the download, and you can download as a png. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.